Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the brand new 2022 Coleman Light 3055 BS floor plan. So it's a nice big couples unit, double slide. Let's dive right in. This is the Coleman Light. So this is on the upper tier of the Coleman line. They got 3 or 4 different series. The standard lights are their most loaded lineup. Aluminum frame construction throughout, fiberglass build. Okay, so you'll notice right away, nice front cap, LED lit, really sharp. Power tongue jack, 4 stabilizer jacks, all power of course. This is a hookup for portable solar if you're into that and you're doing some dry camping. And you'll notice in the pass-through storage here, nice LED lit. This floor plan has a bed slide, so you might think, well, that's a little bit smaller than some other floor plans that you've seen. I'll show you why it's like that when we get inside. Power awning, huge. LED lights, outside speakers. You got the solid stance steps, so those actually make contact with the ground. They fold right into the unit, really slick. And it's one of the few couples units that still gives you a nice outside kitchen. So pull out counter here, you got your 2-burner stove and your little outside fridge all underneath your awning. Okay, then just around back, you got your outside shower. So hot and cold water if you need that, nice and close to the kitchen as well. And of course, it's equipped with backup camera prep. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. As you can see, nice spacious floor plan, couples unit. You got the nice big super slide, 4 windows on all sides of the slide, lets lots of natural light in. You got blackout blinds if you want to darken it up a bit. Booth dinette, that'll of course turn into a bed. There's storage underneath both sides, and you can see that nice little accent lighting there. Good little night light. This guy here, recliner, right across from your entertainment. So you got your TV and your Bluetooth deck. Plug that in, watch movies, sit on the recliner. You got your nice electric fireplace, so that's 5,000 BTUs of heat. You change the colors on there and stuff like that. One of the really cool things about this, undo this strap here. You got tons of pantry space. All bonus space right above that outside kitchen. So it's not just dead space. Strap that back up. And then right behind you, we got secondary pantry for a little more storage. That takes you into your kitchen. So cabinets underneath, but right around the corner here, you actually have a pull-out garbage can. So really slick, right by the door. You can just reach in, throw something out, whatever you got to do. Seamless countertops, stainless steel, nice farm style sink. You got the 8 cubic foot fridge here, 2-way, okay, gas and electric. That takes you into the washroom. So rear bath floor plan, right? So nice big spacious washroom. Got the pocket door here. You got your full vanity, nice big shower, lots of room around the toilet. And then this is a whole linen closet here. Tons of space, lots of storage. You can remove these shelves, hang stuff on the one side if you want, put your towels, all that kind of stuff. Take you up to the master bedroom. It's where the second slide is. So you can tell right away, obviously this is no ordinary bedroom in a travel trailer. So queen bed, slide, nice and deep. You got nightstands on either side with outlets. There's storage underneath the bed. Walk around, lots of space. On this side, all these drawers here. And then in the front closet, if you remember, pass-through storage was a little bit smaller. It's because that's actually the base of this closet here. You can hang stuff, set stuff inside, whatever you want to do. This guy's prepped for a second air conditioner, or you can just have the vent if you want to do that. If you're heading somewhere down south, it's a good idea. It's a 50 amp unit. And there's a spot for a TV as well, if you wanted to fully outfit the master bedroom. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Coleman Light 3055 BS. I'll catch you next time.